Awesome animal builders, crafters of nature's homes. Animals are like nature's builders, creating incredible homes all around us. Let's explore these amazing builders. What are animal builders? Animal builders are creatures that make their own homes. They use things like sticks, mud, and even their own bodies to build amazing structures. Busy beavers. Beavers are super builders. They use logs and mud to build big dams and rivers. These dams make ponds where they live and play. Marvelous termite mounds. Termites are tiny insects that make huge mounds out of mud. These mounds are like tall towers where termites live together as a big family. Incredible birds' nests. Birds make nests out of twigs, leaves, and grass. They build cozy homes in trees or on the ground to keep their eggs safe and warm. Amazing ant hills. Ants dig tunnels underground and make big hills out of dirt. These hills are like busy cities where ants live, work, and store food. Clever spider webs. Spiders spin sticky webs to catch bugs for dinner. Their webs come in all shapes and sizes, like round ones or ones that look like nets. Animal builders create some of the coolest homes in nature. From dams and mounds to nests and webs, they're like architects of the animal world.